Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. So today I have MCQs with respect to international economics. So let's get started. The first MCQ is, what do you mean by hedging? So the first option is investment that protects you from risk. Second option is investment that prevents spillage. The third option is savings for longer term. And the fourth option is savings for shorter term. So hedging is investment that protects you from risk. So the first option is the correct answer. What do you mean by hedging? Hedging is investment that protects you from any potential risk. Let us look at the second question. What do you mean by arbitrage? And the options here are simultaneously, the first option is simultaneously buying and selling of an asset from different platforms. Then we have selling of all assets at once. Then we have buying all the assets at once. And the last option is none of the above. So arbitrage is simultaneously buying and selling of an asset from different platforms. Yeah, so that is the correct answer, which is the first option A. Yeah, let us now look at the third question which we have here. Speculation means what, or what do you mean by speculations? The questions can be in various forms. So the options which are available to us are: option A is trading a financial instrument involving high risk. So please pay attention to such terms, high risk. Yeah, the B option is saving and investment. The C option is trading a financial instrument involving low risk. So high risk, low risk. Yeah, and the last option is none of the above. So here the correct answer is anything which has high risk, and if at all you are trading that instrument, then it is called as speculation. So this is the correct option, option A, trading a financial instrument involving or having high risk in the financial market. Yeah, now let us move to the fourth MCQ for today's lecture. Forex markets or foreign exchange markets operates for what period of time? Yeah, what period of time? Is it 24/7, that is 24 hours 7 days a week, or it is 24/5, 24 hours 5 days a week? Yeah, then we have 365 days and none of the above. So if at all you have seen how foreign exchange markets operate, they operate from Monday to Friday. So it is 24 hours. Yeah, Monday to Friday 24 hours. So it is 24/5. Yeah, so this is the correct answer. This is the way this is the correct answer. Foreign exchange markets operate 24/5. Let us now move to the fifth MCQ which we have. What is the long form of SWIFT? Please mind you, such questions will reflect in your paper, long forms, full forms and things like that. So please pay attention to the options which are given to you. These are easy questions and you can score marks here. Yeah, so the first option is Society for Worldwide International Financial Telecommunication. The second is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. The third option is Society for Workforce International Financial Transactions, and none of the above. So if you know what SWIFT means, SWIFT is the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. So this is the correct option. Option B is the correct answer for the long form of SWIFT, SWIFT. Let us now move to the last MCQ which we have here. So we have two statements and we have to answer whether statement 1 alone is correct, 2 alone is correct, both are correct, or both are false. So let us look at it. So statement 1 is, if there is more demand for a currency, the currency appreciates. Okay. And the second is, the demand curve for foreign exchange slopes downward. This is also okay. Yeah. So select the correct option which we have here. Both 1 and 2 are true. Both 1 and 2 are false. Only 1 is true and only 2 is true. So here both the statements are correct. Whenever there is a higher demand for a currency, it will obviously appreciate, and and obviously the demand curve for foreign exchange will slope downwards, because at higher prices people will demand lesser units of that particular thing. Yeah, so I hope you know that. Yeah, so here the correct answer is both 1 and 2 are true. So this is it from my side for today's class. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned. I'll be making more videos. Thank you.